Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is a quick sponsorship video from ShineArmor. The good people at ShineArmor sent me some of their product to try out. Now this is the waterless car wash, the nano glass coating, and the odor eliminator. Now I just picked up my car from the mechanic. The car been in the shop for a few weeks. As you guys can see, the car is very filthy, very dirty. For a white car, it looks brown. Just drove the car like 300-400 miles from Maine, and I'm going to try out this product, these three, and afterwards I'll show you guys the result. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is pre-soak the car before using the waterless car wash. Make sure all this dirt is soaked. All right, the car is pre-soaked. Time to apply the wash, waterless wash. The reason why I apply water is because, again, the car has been sitting for a while, so just applying the wash and just wiping it off doesn't really get the dirt out. So yeah, so let's try a little section right here and see first how good this is. Okay, I mean, just keep in mind that the paint on this car is not perfect. There's a lot of imperfections in this paint. That's how the car came. So, but okay, look at the difference between dirty, clean. All right, Joe, here is the finished product. Not really the finish, but this is what the car looks like after using the waterless car wash. Like I said before, the paint is not perfect. There's a lot of imperfections, but it's a night and day compared to before, because the car was filthy. So look at that. So I'm gonna have to give a thumbs up to the quick coat waterless car wash from at ShineArmor. And it really did work. Alright, now I'm going to apply the nano glass coating for the windshield and the glass on the car. Now the windshield, the glass is already clean enough after the waterless car wash, but this might just, you know, let's just try it. According to the instructions, you gotta do like half the windshield at a time. So there we go. And this is supposed to help with streaks from the wipers. So let's see. Do the other side. Okay, this is what it looks like. Again, I don't see that much of a difference, but the windows are cleaner, much cleaner, a little shinier. Supposed to add some protection. So I'm gonna do the rest of the windows. Okay, so the last product on the list is the odor eliminator, and this one is simple. I'm just gonna test spray it in the car and just let you guys know how it smells in here. Sorry, the car is filthy and dirty inside as well. I'm going to do a full detail of the inside, but man, this stuff smells good. It smells pretty good. Damn. Sheesh. I definitely want to smell this all the time though. No kidding though, I'm not messing around. Not just because they're sponsor the video, but it really does smell good. Yeah, so that's probably gonna wrap up the video here. If you guys are interested in any of these products, there will be a link in the description. Also, I will leave their Instagram on this video, or in the description below, or at the bottom. Check out ShineArmor. Use my promo code to get a discount. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.